Corpus.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching your favorite channel Corpus. Today in this video, we are going to explain you about the topic DPCC means Delhi Pollution Control Committee. First of all, we'll discuss what is a DPCC. Why DPCC consent is required, who needs to obtain the DPCC consent, what are the documents required at the time of obtaining the DPCC consent, and we'll also talk about the whole registration procedure. So let's begin the video. DPCC, Delhi Pollution Control Committee. DPCC stands for Delhi Pollution Control Committee. It's governed, regulated by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. DPCC issued a no objection certificate to make sure that the business model does not cause any harm to the environment or in the near future as well. Why DPCC consent is required? Look, DPCC consent is required because it helps in the prevention of air and water pollution, it helps in measuring the quality of air, it helps in the proficient waste management, means all sort of waste generated is reused or diminished. It's also helpful in making the environment eco-friendly by following the practices like the use of CNG, sun-based light, etc. Who needs to obtain? So, a very basic questions arise in our mind that who needs to obtain the DPCC consent. So now we'll also tell you that what type of industries are involved that needs to get the DPCC consent and which is very necessary for them to continue their business model, which are as follows. Traders, manufacturing entities, solid waste management entities, healthcare establishment, e-waste management entities, battery waste management entities, biomedical waste management entities, and plastic waste management entities. Categories. So now we will be discussing about the type of industries which are categorized depending upon the pollution index and which are as follows. Red category, 73 industries are included in the red category where the pollution index is above 60. Orange categories, 253 industries fall in the orange category where the pollution index is between 41 to 59. Now we will be talking about the green category where 120 industries fall in this category where the pollution index is between 21 to 40. And at last comes the white category covering around 203 industries which cover the least polluting industry. So now let's quickly discuss about the documents required, which are as follows. PAN card, Aadhaar card with registered mobile number, CA certificate, industry layout plan, latest copy of utility bill, for example electricity bill, proof of business premises such as copy of rent agreement, incorporation documents of the business model, biomedical waste agreement, and Delhi Medical Council certificate only for clinic and hospital, MSME certificate, and you will be also needing import-export code. So let's quickly go through the registration procedure. First of all, you have to visit the official website of Delhi Pollution Control Committee, file an application form and submit the document, and after that a verification is done, means the industry must verify that on what type of business activity they are dealing. Once the verification is done, because on this basis a further subdivision is done that the type of industry you are involved in also go through the categories, means for white category the industry must submit the documents online, and after that an undertaking is generated and the industry must submit a hard copy to the DPCC official website. If you are for green or the orange category, then you have to first of all see that the site comes under the industrial area, means it's fall under the development area. If yes, then you have to submit the document online to the DPCC official website. If no, means if your industry is not falling in the industrial area, it's come under the redevelopment region, then the SDM letter is needed which state that the site is not falling under the redevelopment region. After that, once the checking is done, the industry need to submit essential document on the web, after which the CTE, consent to establish is produced, the business need to present a hard copy of consent to establish application along with the signature. A while later, a board give a CT declaration. Lastly, the industry need to figure out if there is any need for pollution control device. If the answer is positive, then the need arises to install the equipment of pollution control device. After this, application of CTO means consent to operate is generated. The industry has to submit the CTO application to DPCC along with the signature. Once all the verification is done, consent to operate certificate is issued. This was enough in the Delhi Pollution Control Committee. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. In future, if you are planning to get a NOC from the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, you can directly connect to Corbiz because Corbiz has a dedicated team which will guide you with the legal proceeding and the documentation process and make your work more easy and comfortable. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.